Barnett Ranch Preserve. This is closer to 3.6 miles, elevation gain pretty flat, around 250 feet or so, and it is a loop. Getting here is pretty simple. It's Barnett Ranch Preserve. You'll see it off a main road. I'll put that up here. Very easy to find, plenty of parking, and the porta potty is where all the parking is as well. With that out of the way, let's get into those trail details. There's really no, like, if you want to do counterclockwise, clockwise, completely up to you. Cut in and out of the trails. It's whatever you want to do. You can aim for around 3.5 or 3.6 miles if you follow what All Trails is telling you. You do pass the electrical lines once. That is more on the east side, and I'll show that up here. A nice little overlook on that side. As I mentioned earlier, the north or straight part of this trail, that's paved, which is what I'm on right now. It's the short part of this whole hike, but just know that there is a portion of this that is paved. Shorts are good, yeah. There's nothing here that's super overgrown, very wide, so feel free to bring shorts or anything more open on this trail. Trash cans are located in multiple spots, which makes this very handy, but still make sure to pack it in, pack it out. Follow your leave no trace principles. There are multiple stopping points with benches, perfect places to just grab a snack, relax, take a little breather here with the kiddo. On that note, kid and dog friendly, pick up after your pets. And aside from that, there is some private property around, so just make sure you stay on the trail. We saw some cows, a lot of little critters, a lot of holes on the ground. Pretty nice. Wanted to come check this out after some rain. Hasn't rained that much, but it does look pretty nice this morning. I'll take it. Hope you guys enjoyed the trail guide, and I'll see you next week.